Well, ladies and gentlemen, find another one of these this afternoon. It's the first one I've ever seen. Very unusual conversion, especially with 4 doors. How many four door convertibles do you see? Look at that. Fab, isn't it, that? Nice strengthening bar going across there. Yeah, you don't see many of these, do you? I've taken loads of photographs for you to give you a bit of a head start as to what we've got. I'll just get her fired up for you. She's on the button. Starts at the turn of a key. Oh. Or maybe you ought to say it starts at the press of a button. Because she's button start, not key start. There she is. Certainly different, guys, isn't it? I'll give you that. I just got to use, sorry about that, but I have to just do it as best I can with one hand. There we go. Got some nice lines. Oh, someone's already given it a lot number, 507, so that'll be Saturday late afternoon for this one, which is on display down at Pickering now. Come down, have a look round, see if it's one for you.